Hello students, welcome to the online video class. Today we are going to learn about the second chapter, linear equation in one variable. In previous video we have completed the story problem and exercise 2.4. In this lecture we will discuss the next point of the chapter and next point is reducing equation to a simple form. हमें कुछ इक्वेशंस दिए गए हैं लेकिन वो थोड़े से कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है, उनको हमें क्या करना है, सिंपल फॉर्म में रिड्यूस करना है एंड देन सॉल्व द वैल्यू ऑफ this x or solve the solution of this equation. Now directly solve the exercise 2.5 one by one example. So first example is solve the following linear equation. So कुछ linear equation दे हमें यहाँ पे solve करने. So first example is x by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. Now look carefully in this equation. So x by 2 and x by 3 is the same term, and 1 by 5 and 1 by 4 is the same term. So firstly we transport the same term at one side. Then x by 3 transport this LHS. Why? Because of you can solve the x value. That's why we transport this. So transport x by 3 to LHS and minus 1 by 5 to RHS. And then transport this x by 2 as it is. So x by 3 transport होने पर क्या होगा, minus x by 3 is equal to 1 by 4 as it is minus 1 by 5 transport करना है तो वो क्या आएगा, plus 1 by 5. And then solve this is the same term. Firstly we multiply this cross multiplication, we get the 3x multiply 3x, 2 multiply x 2x upon what is the multiplication of denominator, 2 multiply 3 6 is equal to, again we multiply the same way, 5 multiply 1 5 plus 4 multiply 1 4 and 5 4 is 20. And then solve this 3x minus 2x, 3x minus 2x is 1x, that means that only x upon 6 is equal to, next is 5 plus 4 9 and this 20. And then solve this value of x. So this 6 is denominator of this variable, then in transporting multiply the next number. So transport 6 to RHS. So what is the answer? X is equal to 9 by 20. यहाँ पे 6 डिवाइड को यहाँ पे जाके क्या होगा, मल्टीप्लाई. So 2 3 is 6, 2 1 is 2 and 2 0 0. So x is equal to what? 9 multiply 3 upon 10 and x is equal to 9 3 is 27 upon 10. So this is your answer. Now let's solve the next question. Now the second number question is n by 2 minus 3n upon 4 plus 5n upon 6 is equal to 21. So here all these same terms are at one side. So that's why directly solve this example. Then firstly this is n by 2, 3n by 4 and 5n by 6. Here subtraction and here addition. But in this fraction number denominator is not same. That's why we not directly add or subtract. Then firstly we make the denominator same and then after add or subtract. Then how to make the denominator same? Here the 2, 4 and 6. So ऐसा एक नंबर आपको फाइंड करना है जो तीनों टेबल में. So 2, 4 and 6. वैसे कौन सा टेबल है जो तीनों टेबल में 6 के टेबल जो 12 नंबर से, यानी इनका एलसीएम फाइंड करना है. हम एलसीएम कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? So 2 4 and 6. So 2 2 1 the 2, 2 2 the 4, 2 3 the 6. Again 2 1 the 2. Here 3 1 the 3. So sorry, 3 1 the 3. So what is the answer? LCM is equal to 2 2 the 2 multiply 3 and 2 2 the 4, 4 3 the 12. So that means that LCM is equal to 12. So हमें डिनोमिनेटर क्या करना होगा सबका 12. So कैसे करेंगे? n upon 2 को कौन से नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करने पर 12 आएगा? 2 6 the 12. So here multiply c, that's why again multiply the numerator, minus 3n upon 4, 4 3 is 12 multiply 3 plus 5n upon 6 multiply 2 is equal to 2. Okay, So we have to write in your notebook, huh? And then is equal to 21, and then solve this. 6n upon 12 minus 9n upon 12 plus 5 to the 10n upon 12 is equal to 21, and then add and subtract this. So 6n minus 9n, what is the answer? Minus 3n plus 10n upon denominator is common. So what is the answer? Minus 3n plus 10n, 7n. 7n upon 12 is equal to 21. Here the plus or minus sign. If both numbers having the same different sign, then we subtract and put the greater number sign. 10 minus 3, 7, and greater number sign is positive. That's why we write here 7n. So solve this. Firstly, we transport 12 to RHS. So 7n is equal to 12 डिवाइड करो, वहां पे क्या होगा? मल्टीप्लाई. सो 12. अब हम क्या करेंगे? फिर से ये 7 ट्रांसपोर्ट करेंगे. सो ट्रांसपोर्ट 7 टू RHS. सो RHS यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई, वहां पे जाके क्या हो गए? डिवाइड. सो 12 अपॉन 7, 7 1 the 7, 7 3 the 21, and so what is the remaining? 3 multiply 12. So 12 3 the 36, and this is the value of n. N is equal to 36. Now this is the answer of this solution. So equation of the solution. Now let's solve the next example. Now the next question is x plus 7 minus 8x upon 3, 7 is equal to 17 upon 6 minus 5x upon 2. Here the same term is x minus 8x upon 3 and minus 5x upon 2. Now firstly we transport this RHS, and this 7 is transport to RHS. Okay. Now answer, transport this x 8x upon 3 and 5x upon 2 to LHS, and this only this term, this term 5x upon 2 to LHS, and the 7 transport to RHS. Then what is the answer? X minus 8x upon 3. Then transport this 5x upon 2 minus a plus होगा. So 5x upon 2 is equal to 17 upon 6, और a plus 7 ट्रांसपोर्ट होने पर क्या होगा? minus 7. And then solve this. X minus 8x upon 3 plus 5x upon 2. Firstly, we make the denominator same. Here the denominator is 1. So 1, 3 and 2. So इसका कौन सा नंबर जो तीनों टेबल में 6. Okay. Then make the denominator same. So x multiply 6 upon 1 multiply 6 minus 8x upon 3 multiply 2 plus 5x upon 2 multiply 3 is equal to, यहाँ पे 17 upon 6 यहाँ पे क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन किया तो भी चलेगा. 6 7 the 42, and then denominator is 6, and then solve this. 6x upon 6 minus 8x up multiply here 2, so 16x upon 6 plus 5 3 is a 15x upon 6 is equal to 17 minus 42. What is the answer? 42 minus 17. Here 12 minus 7, 5, 3 remaining, 3 minus 1, 2. So minus 25 upon 6. And then now solve this subtraction. 6x minus 16x. What is the remaining? Minus 10x upon 6 plus 15x upon 6 is equal to minus 25 upon 6. Minus 10 plus 15. So what is the answer? 5x upon 6 is equal to minus 25 upon 6. And then transport 6 to RHS. And then what is the remaining? 5x is equal to minus 25 upon 6. Multiply 6. यहाँ पे divide है, multiply होगा. So 6 cancel. And then 5x is equal to minus 25. And then transport 5 to RHS. And then x is equal to 25 upon 5. And then what is the answer? X is equal to 5 1 the 5, 5 5 is 25. So what is the answer? Minus 5. So this is the solution of this equation. Now let's solve the next question. Now the next question is x minus 5 upon 3 is equal to x minus 3 upon 5. Now here we write the cross multiplication. So 5 in bracket x minus 5. 5 says x minus 5 को multiply करना है is equal to 3 in bracket x minus 3. और यहाँ पे multiplication करना है 5 multiply x 5x minus 5 5 is 25 is equal to 3 multiply x 3x minus 3 3 is 9. And then what is that? Transport 3x to LHS and minus 25 to RHS. And then what is the answer? 5x minus 3x plus 3x transport होने minus 3x and minus 9 minus 25 transport होने पर plus 25. So 5x minus 3x 2x is equal to minus 9 plus 25. Subtraction or greater number sign is 16. So 2x is equal to 16. Again we transport 2 to RHS and then what is the answer? X is equal to 16 upon 2. So x is equal to 2 on the 2, 2 8 the 16. Then what is the answer? X is equal to 8. That means the solution of this equation is 8. Now let's solve the next question. Now the next example is 3t minus 2 upon 4 minus 2t plus 3 upon 3 is equal to 2 by 3 minus t. Okay, now the write the cross multiplication. Then 3 in bracket 3t, 3 multiply 3t minus 2 minus 4 multiply 2t plus 3 divided by 4 multiply 3 इज इक्वल टू, यहाँ पे माइनस साइन है इसलिए डिनोमिनेटर का मल्टीप्लिकेशन राइट किया. अगर यहाँ पे इक्वल हो तो डिनोमिनेटर का मल्टीप्लिकेशन नहीं राइट कर सकते. यहाँ पे भी क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करो. 2 माइनस 3 मल्टीप्लाई टी 3t अपॉन डिनोमिनेटर मल्टीप्लिकेशन 3 एंड देन सॉल्व दिस. 3 मल्टीप्लाई 3 9t माइनस 3 to the 6 माइनस 4 to the 8t 4 to the 8t plus minus 4 3 the 12 and then denominator 4 3 the 12, then 2 minus 3t upon 3 and then solve this. 9t minus 8t, what is the answer? Only t, and minus 6 minus 12, this is a 18 upon 12 is equal to 2 by 3 minus 3t. Okay, now solve the next. So t minus 12, that means that t upon 12 minus 18 upon 12 is equal to 2 by 3 minus 3t upon 3 and then solve this. Here you know that the same terms transport at one side, so transport this minus 3t upon 3 to LHS and minus 18 upon 12, 2 RHS. Then what is the answer? T upon 12. And this transport this minus 3t upon 3. This 3t upon 3 is equal to 2 by 3 minus 18 by 18 upon 12. Okay. And then solve this. So make the denominator same. So t upon 12 plus 3t multiply 3 multiply 4. Okay, so 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, डिनोमिनेटर सेम होगा. एंड देन 3 और 12. सो 3 multiply 4, here 4 plus 18 upon 12. Then t upon 12 plus 4 3 is 12. 12t upon 12 is equal to 8 upon 4 is plus 18 upon 12. And then directly add this t plus 12t, this is a 13t upon 12 is equal to 18 plus 8 is 26. 26 upon 12 and divide this transport this 13t is equal to 26 upon 12. 12 transport करने, so 12. Then 12 cancel and t is equal to 26. 13 transport के divide को क्या होगा 13 and t is equal to 13 on the 13, 13 to the 26. So what is the answer? T is equal to 2. Okay, now this is your example and this is a solution of this equation. T is equal to 2. And your homework example m minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 minus m minus 2 upon 3. This is your homework example. So today we stop here and remaining part of this exercise we'll discuss in next video. Thank you.